Placing form on wilderness is a radical act. The challenge here was to design a house in one of the most spectacular natural settings on the Pacific coast, respecting and simultaneously transforming the landscape. The Fall House, designed by Fougeron Architecture, is rooted in the beauty and natural power of California's stunning Big Sur south coast. Its unique design creates a structure inseparable from its context. The main entry is located near the top, with the living spaces unfolding from the most public to the most private. The house has two main facades that express both shelter and exposure. The south facade is clad in copper, which wraps up the walls and over the roof. Copper overhangs protect the windows and the front door from the ocean's sun and winds. The site offers breathtaking views, a 250-foot drop to the Pacific Ocean, along the bluff and the western exposure. This demanded a form more complex than a simple picture window. The house is cantilevered over the slope. The complex structural system employs natural forms to accommodate the site. The house's long, narrow volume conforms to the natural contours of the terrain and the bluff's geometries, deforming its shape and structure in response, much like the banana slug native to the region's coastal forests. On the north facade, expansive clear glass panels reveal sweeping views of the ocean and coastline. Long strips of translucent channel glass diffuse light, reflecting off the shimmering ocean below, and creating an interior that constantly changes with the play of light and shadow throughout the day. The living room, kitchen, and dining area are an open plan, with subtle changes in levels and ceiling planes to distinguish their functions. Natural materials like French limestone flooring and sustainable wood on walls and ceilings establish a visual connection between the house and its natural surroundings. The roof curves to follow the terrain's contours. The interior is a refuge, a quiet, contemplative space where one can escape the roughness and immense scale of the ocean and cliff. The main body of the house comprises two rectangular volumes connected by an all-glass library. This library bridges the more public spaces above with the master suite below. It serves as the heart of the house, uniting the interior and exterior through its geometry and transparency. The tiered layout promotes natural ventilation, with fresh air entering at the lower level and warm air being exhausted at the top. To facilitate this, automated operable glazing at the lower level works in tandem with an exhaust transfer grill at the upper level. A one-story concrete wing, set perpendicular to the main volume, houses additional ground floor bedrooms and serves as the boulder anchoring the house to the land. The home's primary structural system is set back 12 feet from the bluff's edge to protect the cliff's delicate ecosystem and ensure the integrity and safety of the structure. A green roof reduces the building's aerial visual footprint and provides thermal mass and insulation for the rooms below. In the lower volume, the double cantilevered master suite acts as a promontory above the ocean, offering breathtaking views through its floor-to-ceiling windows. Natural light is abundant in every room, including bathrooms. The lighting design is tailored to solar orientation, reducing dependence on artificial lighting. Primary daylight is indirect and comes from the north, while southern light is limited and carefully controlled.